嗨，大家好，李老师今天身体不舒服，嗯，so instead of have a like an hour Zoom meeting, I recorded this so you can work on this on your own. So this is the assignment. You can see right here, assignment for this week. This was the body part vocabularies. What I want you to do is to first go to this website to find out the stroke order and the meaning of each character. So first do the stroke order progression once above the first and second line. So this is the first and second line. So let's say there's two characters. This is the first character. Okay, so you will do one character at a time. Okay, maybe the first one will be here, second one will be here, and then after you do this then you write full character 10 times above the second line. So on the you know what, I'm gonna just say write 10 times under write 10 times after. Okay, on the third line. Okay, so if there's two characters, it will be on the third line. But if it's one character, this will be you writing the order. This will be you write 10 times the character. Okay, and then write pinyin and meaning one's next to the first character. So this is the character. So the meaning you can write it above here. The pinyin you can write it on the line in front of it. Okay, so like right before the character right here, write the meaning and the pinyin. You just need to write it one time. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. This is the website. I already copied it, so copy and paste. This is something you will see. What you're going to do is you see the brush right here, click on it, and then right here there's this box right here. That's where you can write the character, because for some of you don't know how to type it, you don't know the pinyin, or you don't know the word. Let's say I don't know what this means, 酸痛痒, then you're gonna have to use this to write it. So I'm gonna just use this as an example. Okay, so 酸, I'm gonna use this character. What I'm gonna do is, try my best to copy the character here in this box. I think something like that. There's a line right there, and it's closed. Sun. So as I'm writing, do you see on the right side, I already have example character here. That's, maybe, see, like I haven't finished writing yet. This character, that's the character you're writing. So you don't have to finish, you can just click on it. If it's not here, then you just try to finish writing it as nice, as neat as you can. And then that's the character I am looking for. You see it? And click on it. And I'm going to close this. Then Swan, I'm going to click on that one. Swan, you can listen to it. Swan. And then you see right here, it says the stroke order of this character. And then it's not complete yet, so you need to click on the arrow. So it might take 2 lines. I don't know. So you're going to first write, I'm going to just open another whiteboard so that I can share with you how to do this. Let's erase everything first, clear all. We're right here. So this is the character, and this is what you're going to do. Let me put it lower a little bit. I don't have enough room. So this is what I have. Okay, so I'm gonna write the character. When I say order by order is this. First, I'm gonna write it again, and then second stroke. You see the second stroke's here, and I'm gonna start again, and then go. Do you see this? The third stroke is this one. So every time you write it, you're rewriting it again, but every time you add another stroke to it. So the fourth line will be this one right here. So write everything, copy this. Don't copy like the whole character, like that many times. Just write step by step. And the fifth one will be this one. Do you guys get what I'm talking about? This is long, pretty, it takes some time to write. You just need to, just take your time. It's kind of hard to write it on the whiteboard right here, but do you see what I'm doing? Step by step. So after you write that, I'm like writing it everywhere. It's not even here. So after that part, the next one will be piezo right here, and then you just do this. And you keep going and keep going. Okay, I'm not gonna finish writing this character because I think you guys got this. So after that, right under, so let's say this is the page, this is your paper. I don't have a printer, so I'm gonna have to, write what it is on a white paper. You're gonna just write down, I don't know, like swan. Okay, swan, first tone, of course, for this character. And I would write the character again and the meaning. I'll write the meaning here. Just because I think I ran out of space. Let me see if I can move it over. Yeah. Okay, so swan, and then I'm going to write the meaning right here. The meaning means sour. Okay, swan means sour, but what we learn for this one, it means sort. To be in pain, sort. Okay, so it can be sour, but I'm gonna just write that because that's the one we're talking about. Or you can, if you don't know, then just write anything. Okay, write any meaning that they have right there. So I'm gonna just choose that, and then make sure you write the character first, like the character of, the first character. Don't write that line. It's not. Let me undo this. That's a straight line. Okay. Pizza. Okay. And then that. So write that and write the order. And then right under it, you're going to write this 10 times. I'm not going to do that. You will write it 10 times. Okay. So that's how you will be. That's what this assignment is. If it's 2 characters, let's say yachi, you're going to do 1. And then you're gonna just right under after the 10 times, if there's room right here, you can start doing, let's say, 肚子, I'm gonna start writing the, I don't know, like the stroke order of 子. Okay? And then I would write it 10 times again, 10 times. And then, when it comes to the meaning, you don't separate the character. So I would do, so 肚子. Since I know how to pinyin, the pinyin, I'm gonna do that instead. So when you write it, when it's 2 characters, instead of doing 1 at a time, you need to put both of them so you have the correct meaning. So they will show you the first one, how to write the first one, and then the second one, there's 3 strokes. So you copy this, and then you write down the meaning. Stomach. And the pinyin, it's up here. And if you want to listen to it, that's the sound. 肚子. Okay, but for you guys, you don't know how to type it, then you're gonna use this to write it. Okay, you don't know the pinyin for it. And sometimes, because I can type Chinese right here, but if I were just to have English, I don't know if I can type. Maybe you can. I'm not sure. So try to do that and see if you can type the pinyin. So like 肚子. Apparently it does work, so you can try it, and then you just need to look for the correct character. Okay, so that's all you will be doing. Today we're not gonna meet because I really are not feeling very well, so recording this takes a lot of energy. Anyways, I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you guys next class. Okay. Alright, how do I stop?